Audio calibration optimizes your Toyota's sound system for the best possible listening experience. The equalizer allows you to adjust frequency bands to match your preferences and vehicle acoustics. Speaker configuration varies by Toyota model. The system automatically detects your vehicle's speaker setup and optimizes audio distribution. Premium models feature advanced surround sound with multiple speaker zones. Volume normalization ensures consistent audio levels across different sources like radio, Bluetooth, and USB. This prevents sudden volume changes when switching between audio inputs. Personalizing your home screen improves efficiency and user experience. You can add widgets for quick access to frequently used functions and create shortcuts to your favorite features. Split screen functionality allows multitasking by displaying navigation and audio controls simultaneously. This feature enhances safety by keeping essential information visible while driving. Voice commands have become increasingly popular, with 67% of Toyota users now regularly using this feature. Voice control provides hands-free operation for safer driving while accessing system functions. Modern Toyota audio systems combine advanced hardware with intelligent software to deliver premium sound quality. Proper calibration and personalization transform your driving experience into an immersive audio environment.